The episode starts with Ahilya asking Acharya to come to the Raja Darbar and ask for justice. Only the king will take the decision. She takes Renu and Prakshit with her. Tukoji comes to Khanderao and tells him everything. Yamuna tells everything to Gotma and Harku. Gangoba gets a letter from Acharya. Prakshit thanks Ahilya for coming on time. She says, I would not let anything happen to you. No need to cry, Renu. Justice will happen. She says, someone called you both, thereby taking my name. It's someone's plan. Renu asks, what do you mean? Does someone know this? I am feeling scared. Ahilya says, no need to get scared. Renu says, people were angry on you and scolded you today. Ahilya says, the matter has turned really serious. So I asked them, come to the darbar. There will be arguments, but you both would not get killed by the crowd. Renu says, they will not understand. It's all my mistake, she cries. Ahilya says, we have to go ahead and fight against this inhumanity. Khanderao comes and stops her. Acharya threatens Gangoba. Gangoba says Ahilya is immature and inexperienced. She does not know anything. Mahants threaten that Holkar family will get stained. Gangoba says, do not say this. I will talk to Ahilya. If Malhar was here, then this would not have come till now. I am also against this. I cannot think of going against Dharma. Acharya looks on. Khanderao says, I did not expect this from Prakshit. Ahilya asks, what did he go? He says, you do not tell me anything now. You had spotted them. They are wrong. She says, I do not find anything wrong. He says, it's surprising. Prakshit did wrong. Renu is also wrong. Still you spotted them and did not tell me. She says, it's nothing like that. Calm down. He asks, how shall I calm down? You know, it's not a small thing. People are getting angry. You want me to stay calm? You know, I am in a dharm shankat. One side is entire society and other side my friend, your friend, and you also, Ahilya. You are responsible for this. Acharya gives the prasad to Gangoba. He says, it's our duty to keep our traditions. We will not accept the breakings of traditions. Gangoba says yes, he lives. Khanderao says Renu and Prakshit would not be forgiven. Prakshit says love is not in anyone's control. I have feelings for Renu. I wanted to tell you, and this news spread. Renu and I did not do anything that can be called a sin. Khanderao says, you both got saved today. I do not think I can help you. Ahilya asks, will they get punished? They are special for us. They have supported us. Khanderao says, it's time for the darbar. We should go. The villagers talk about Renu and Prakshit matter. Gotma discusses the matter with Dwarka, Dhanaji and Gunuji. Dwarka asks, where is Ahilya? Yamuna comes and says, Ahilya is talking to Khanderao. Prakshit was with them. Dwarka says, why shall we worry? The decision will be taken in Renu and Prakshit's favor. Gunoji says, yes, Khanderao does as Ahilya wants. He can sit on the throne, but she will run the darbar. Gotma says, this will never happen. Khanderao will take his decisions. Dwarka says, Ahilya invited everyone to the darbar. She expects Khanderao to help them. Praja will not support such kings to support saints. Ganguba says sorry to say, Ahilya should come soon. We need to talk to them. Ahilya comes. Gotma scolds her. She asks, is Renu important to you than us? Ganguba says, Acharya is very angry. You invited a big problem. You know that we can never tolerate anyone who goes against dharma. It can start bloodshed. Ahilya says dharma and rules are made to protect people's happiness. We can change the rules. Why this fear? Gotma asks her to stop it. Change will come when it has to. Why shall they change the world and hurt themselves? She says Do not make everyone against you by sporting the wrong. You would not come to the bar today. Ahilya worries. She says, I have to be there for Renu. Ganguba says, Gotma is right. Sorry, you should not come there today. Acharya and Mahans are angry. Things can get worse. We want to solve this issue calmly. Gotma says, we will handle Renu, but not settle her